Hey guys, welcome back to Hooking is a Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to create this beanie. It is quick to work up and it will fit an adult woman or young adult, and it is very easy to work up. All you have to do is work in the back loops, and I will show you how to create this. Let me just tell you what you will need. So to create the beanie, I'm going to be using Vanna's Choice Lion brand. This is a medium size worsted weight yarn, size 4, and the suggested hook is the J size 6mm hook, but I will be using an I for this one. And so you will need one of these. You will also need some scissors, tapestry needle, and of course your hook. And I just wanted to tell you guys that I purchased this hook set. This is the Crochet light. These light up, and I got them from Amazon for $14.99, free shipping, because there's a special going on for the holidays, so I was able to get it for with free shipping. So you get a set of 9 crochet hooks, C through K, and these light up. So just show you. And they were only $14.99, which is a steal. I went on just to get the H hook because I misplaced it, lost it somehow. I already have K through G, or through F, I think. Yeah, I had K through F. So I was missing the H, so I said, let me go buy one, but only one of these hooks cost $6.99 on Amazon. So when I saw the set with the case for $14.99, I said, I can't beat it, because I would add the C, D, and E, and also the F to my collection. So it was a win-win for me. So anyway, so I'm going to be using the I hook to create this, and that is everything you will need. Let's get started. So to begin our beanie, we have to start with a magic circle. So all you want to do is wrap your yarn, hold the end here and wrap it around your fingers like so, and just put it over this side. Insert your hook just like so, and then chain 1. You can also start with a chain 4 and then just slip stitch to join and just work inside the circle that way. And then I'm gonna do another chain for chain 2. Okay. And I'm gonna work, that chain 2 is not gonna count as a stitch, and I'm gonna work 12 half double crochets in the circle. So that's 2, sorry about that. So this will be 3. So continue until you have 12 half double crochets inside the ring. Alright, so I have my 12 half double crochet, and I'm just going to pull on my work like this so I can close up the circle. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the half double crochet, the first half double crochet that we made, just like so. I'm going to chain up 2, and I'm going to add 2 half double crochets into that same space. And right now we're going to be working in both loops. For the increase rows, we're going to do both loops. When we stop increasing, then we'll do the back loops only. So 2 half double crochets into every space of the row, and you will have a total of 24 half double crochets. So here I am, my last space of the row. I'm going to add 2 half double crochets in there. So now I have a total of 24, and I am going to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet made, just like so. And now I'm going to chain up 2 for round 3, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I will put 2 half double crochet into this first space, which is the same space as the chain 2. And then in the next one, I'm just going to add 1 half double crochet. In the next one, I'm going to add 2 half double crochets, and we're going to continue to do this all the way around. So the next one will be 1 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochets, and I'll meet you back when I get to the other side of the row. So here I am, and I just need to add 1 half double crochet in the last space, and I have a total of 36 half double crochet for this round, which is round 3, and I am going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet excuse me, of the row, and your work should be looking like this. And now we're going to continue from here, and we're going to do chain 2, and we're going to do 2 half double crochet into the first space here of round 4. Then in the next 2 spaces, we're just going to do 1 half double crochet in each. And then in the next space, we're going to do 2 half double crochets in the same space. Then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2. And we're going to continue this all the way around. So 2 into this next one. 2 half double crochet in the same space. And then 1 half double crochet into the next 2 spaces. 2 half double crochets into the next. And I'll meet you back around when I'm done. So I'm back around, and I just made 1 half double crochet into the last 2 spaces for a total of 48 half double crochets for this round, which is round, what did I say? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then we're going to slip stitch to the top of the first half double crochet made. And now we're going to do 1 more increase row, and we will be done with increasing. So we'll just chain up 2. And if it curls up like that, it's fine. It's just that it's half double crochets, so they're a little tighter than a double crochet would be. And then in that first space, you're gonna add 2 half double crochet. In the next 3 spaces, you're just gonna add 1 half double crochet. And that's 3. And then in the next, you're gonna add 2 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3, and we're going to continue this pattern all the way around. 2 in this next one, 1 in each of the next 3. I'll meet you back when I have completed this row. Alright, so I'm here at the end, and I just need to add 3 more half double crochets in each of the next 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll slip stitch to that first half double crochet of the row. And this completes round 5. And this is where we end our increase rounds. So your work should look like this. And like I said, if it curls up, it's fine. And this measures 5 inches across. Now if you wanted to make this bigger, let's say for a man, you just add another increase row, and that should take it up to, let me see how big is 2 more increase rows will give you 6 inches. So if you wanted to make it 6 inches wide, then you would just do 2 more increase rows if you wanted to. So now from round 6 through 16, all we're gonna do is chain up 2, and we're gonna half double crochet, but we're gonna do it in the back loops of our work, and that's what's gonna give us that effect. So we're just gonna half double crochet into that first space where we did the chain 2, and every space that follows. So just continue to do this until you have 16 rows in total from the beginning of the hat to the end. And I'll tell you what row 17, and I'll let you know how row 17 will be worked. Alright, so I have completed my 16th row. I slip stitch to join, and this is what you should have so far. This is your beanie. Really simple beanie. And now I'm going to show you how I make the last row to give it this little design here at the bottom. You can see that. And this is just doing the reverse single crochet, and that is what I'm gonna do to this beanie as well. So we're gonna, instead of going this way, we're gonna go this way to do the reverse single crochet, and try to crochet loosely so you don't have a hard time getting your hook to go in like so. So instead of going into this one, like I said, this will be your next stitch. You reverse it and you go in the last one. You yarn up and you go through both loops, and then you do it again. Take your hook and you reverse it here and you put it into that next space, and then you go through both. So as you can see, you get that little ribbon effect from it. So I'm going to continue to do this all the way around, and I'll show you how to join. Alright, so here I am back to the beginning of the hat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let go of the working yarn, and I'm going to insert my hook here in that first single crochet that we made, and I'm going to put my working yarn back on the hook, pull it closed, and then slip stitch in there, and then I can cut my yarn here, pull it out, tug, and that will be the end of your hat. So here is your hat. Very simple to make, and let's just put it on this head so you can see how it looks. I'm just gonna grab it, put it in, and there you go. Now if you need to make this, if you want the length to be longer, you just add more rows. Instead of 16, you could do 18, whatever you wish. Also, if you feel like your hat is too snugged, you can use a bigger hook. Instead of the 5.5, you can use a 6mm hook, which is the J hook, and you can adjust it that way. So really simple hat. Really love the way it turns out, and this is great for the winter now. It's getting cold, it covers up to your ears, and yeah. Anyway guys, that is my latest tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try to keep it simple, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Until then, just keep on crocheting and show me your work. I love to see what you're making.